Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you GLS review. In the world of online shopping, new products constantly appear promising fun, excitement, or convenience, and one such item gaining attention is GLS glow in the dark sticky balls, marketed as playful stress relief toys. These small, squishy balls glow in the dark and can stick to walls, ceilings, or windows for a few moments before falling. Positive reviews highlight that the balls glow brightly, stick well, and provide harmless fun for both kids and adults, offering stress relief and tactile enjoyment. However, there are concerns. Some user reports that the balls don't stick properly, the glow fades quickly, or the material feels cheap, reducing durability and value for money. While GLS isn't necessarily a scam, reports of slow shipping, inconsistent quality, and marketing that oversells the product suggest caution. If you want to try them, purchase from a reputable seller and manage your expectations. GLS can provide short bursts of fun, but may not deliver long lasting performance for everyone. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.